Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not under.
Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So long, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other.
If that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing I get is my passport. If that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard. Only thing I get is my
Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard.
So yeah, guys, we're trying a new nail tech today. My phone was ringing. We're trying a new nail tech today, so I need to get my light together. So we're gonna get something to put on. I'm probably gonna go pick me up some coffee. My nail appointment's at 9:30, so I need to be out of here by 9 o'clock. It's 8:46. My nails is off. I did a manicure yesterday. You would have said I am gonna be doing a pedicure. So you gonna see all of that in this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video so I know you like videos like this. These are my nails.
We need each other, no, it's hard, but we need each other. Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side.
You lead me to paradise. Oh yeah, baby. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide.
Okay guys, so we have to take a break. This thing's not coming out my hair and I don't know what the hell to do. I steamed it twice with the facial steamer because I assumed heat, the glue, you know, heat softened things up, so that was not working. So I'm a little nervous. Look at how it looks. It literally is not coming off. So I'm about to go to the beauty supply store and get a hair glue remover and put it on there, and maybe it will dissolve the glue. My first instinct was to do that a while ago and I didn't do that, but we're about to go do that right now because I can't do this all day. So we're gonna do that so we can get to the process and adventures, and then we're gonna get back to the reset. This is a realistic reset.
It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
A lot more, because the more you live life for yourself, the more you're gonna actually be forced to heal. When these triggers or these boundaries a little bit, how can you challenge yourself a little bit just to be more authentically yourself? Like if you're Black, in honor of National Relaxation Day, we are going to take some time to let go of any stress and worry.
And I'll take some time just to get back.